The man who has served as administrator for the city of Oroville the last few years is returning to his former position as police chief. Tonight, Bill Lagrone speaks with Action News Now's Ryan Ketchum about why he's making the move and what it means for the city of Oroville.
Lagrone was chief from 2009 to 2019 and was interim chief this past year. He says the biggest issue is their staffing right now.
We are tremendously understaffed right now. It's kind of a unique situation for Oroville.
They're down 9 officers of the possible 29 they're approved for.
You know, we're getting maybe one every 2 months. We're getting an applicant for a police officer position, a lateral one.
Staffing shortages also come as 2 former officers filed federal lawsuits this year against the department, alleging sexual harassment and racial discrimination, among other claims. Lagrone says those claims are false and have not affected the department.
And morale is probably higher than it's been, in the last few years. I mean, our employees feel good about where they're working. They understand the situation. I don't have to tell somebody something's not true when they know it's not true.
Lagrone had served as the city administrator beginning in 2019. He says it was a collaborative decision that he not remain in that position.
From a city's perspective, I would think that it would be easier to find a city administrator than it would be to a chief of police.
It just made sense to have Bill be the police chief. He's been it before, and we've had great difficulty in the search for a police chief.
Now, the nationwide search for the next administrator begins.
We have hired a private firm to put a nationwide advertisement out. I should also mention that our city attorney is looking for an interim city administrator.
Lagrone will start as full-time chief January 4th. He has a 2-year contract and the ability to negotiate an extension after 2024. Reporting in Oroville, I'm Ryan Ketchum. Action News Now, coverage you can count on.
But just this week, the Oroville City Council voted to increase the pay for the city administrator position by 25% in order to attract more qualified candidates.